I, for like once in my life, finally am able to take you guys with me to the nail supply store. I'm actually in the pedicure aisle right now. This is what we have in our cart so far. Just little penny packs. They're really good for when you're doing pedicures. Let's see. One second, some of the stuff we have. Oh, that's nice. Pumpkin spice stuff. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, you guys, and we're back, and I'm just showing you what I got off Amazon. So I bought some more Cuticle Pushers and Nippers. Honestly, the ones at the nail supply store were a little bit too expensive for me, and I found these at a really good price. So I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description box, so you guys can check these out. And they honestly work really well. I do enjoy them. I already have used them. By the time you're seeing this video, especially the Nippers. The Nippers are really great quality, and along with the Cuticle Pushers. I'm gonna let you guys watch me make some pouches, and then I will put these in the sterilizer afterwards. But so I'm just gonna be doing some of them, and they vary depending on what type of service I'm offering. Like a pedicure is gonna be different from a manicure versus, you know, an acrylic service. So yeah, and you can pick up these pouches at your local nail supply store or even off of Amazon as well. I'm just using my Me Secret hand sanitizer. Really any antiseptic hand sanitizer is good to use. You just need to make sure that the alcohol percentage is over 70% for it to be antiseptic. Okay, and real quick, I want to show you the different types of cuticle pushers. So for example, these ones with the rasp that's down here, I like to use those for pedicures because it allows me to like really scoop out through the sides of the toenail. Then these ones that have more of the, like, it's like a little curved edge to them, I just use those for manicures and, you know, acrylic services. But the ones with the rasp are really good for the pedicure services. And then I also use toenail clippers, straight toenail clippers. And this is good because it allows me like to, you know, clip the nail down, especially when I used to do that. And it just allows me to have like a really nice straight edge whenever I'm doing like toe services or anything like that. But yeah, so I'm just putting in the cuticle pushers, and what I suggest is that you break open like your cuticle pusher whenever you're putting it in the package, because when you try to put it in and it's closed, it makes it a little bit hard for you to fit everything in there. Okay, and then let's say you just finished cleaning all your implements, you should have your cuticle nipper open because you don't want to end up with rust, and it helps the cuticle nipper dry a little bit better. And then I just go ahead and expose the sticky part by peeling off the protective layer, and then I just go ahead and fold it on down. And then I'm going to show you the other ones that I make, how I make the other ones outside of a pedicure, but that one is honestly exactly how I would make a pedicure pack to be using for a pedicure service, because I really don't need a manicure brush for a pedicure. So yeah, but I'm going to show you. So with the manicure, I normally am using a brush, a pusher, and a clipper, and that's really it. It's my bad, you guys. I forgot to show you what I got whenever I went to the store a few days ago. But essentially, you should have already seen me make these petty packs earlier in this video. But what I did get was I picked up these little petty packs here. So these are the Tangerine Twist, and these are deluxe ones. So basically what that means is it comes with a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. A regular one would just normally come with this soak, scrub, and a butter. That's, I mean, a lotion really. And that's basically it. But this one is lemon quench. Also got one in this Eucalyptus energy boost. It's more like a eucalyptus scented, like minty. And I would suggest getting these ones for like men. They typically like, you know, eucalyptus, like pretty like basic smelling stuff. You don't want anything like normally too fruity. Depending on the guy though. And then this one is also a good one for men. It's the cucumber fresh one. It just smells like cucumbers, and maybe like a little bit of like green tea in it. It smells pretty good. So yeah, that's that one again. Okay, also got raspberry sorbet. So these ones are a little bit different because these are actually a bubbly soak. So it's gonna make it like really bubbly, just really nice and luxurious feeling. And this bubbly soak here, it actually has like little bubbles in it. So it's like, you know how you go like and you get like the little like the Orbeez and stuff like that. Basically that's kind of what's in there. It's like the little bubbles. And then I also got this one. This is in mint mimosa. It's another bubbly one. There's two of those, by the way. And then this is also another one, and this is Cocoa Colada Oasis, and this is sea salt soak, a sugar scrub. You know, same thing, just a different smell. But I really like these ones from Boesh. I think that's how you pronounce them. But I really like these ones. Morgan Taylor also has a nice one. But I like those. And I guess I can show you some of my Pedicure Essentials, I guess. So I always keep like some little extra, you know, toe separators. A little pack here with a pusher, you know, clippers, nippers. Keep some cuticle softener. And I usually just use Me a Secret or the whatever ones I have the supply store. I also like to make sure I have like a little metal piece like this here. This is actually from Cuticle. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but it's like this, and you can use this and refill them, like put new ones on. It's like an adhesive. And then I always like to keep some polish remover for my clients who just get like regular polish on their toes. And then also just some like little wood sticks are good to have in my opinion. I always keep some extra Epsom salt. That's basically it. And I have another thing in here. Hold on. I'm supposed to keep. Here we go. I got it. Also, I suggest that if you are going to offer pedicures for a service, you do get these little foot scrubbers. So like this. I showed this in another video, but they're really good to have. You know, just little scrubbers. And you can get that at your local nail supply store. You can also get it at Sally's, but I suggest getting it from a local nail supply store, or getting the other one I showed you off Amazon that's stickable, because those are good too, because you can get a lot of use out of those. But yeah, that's everything I got. So yep.